How many millimeters are there in question A? 11 centimeters. Question B, 3 meters. We take down solution. Question A, we have to convert 11 centimeters to millimeters. Comparing centimeters and millimeters, centimeters is a higher unit for measuring length, while millimeters is a smaller unit. We know that 1 centimeters is equal to 10 millimeters. Multiplying both sides by 11, 11 times 1 centimeter will be equal to 11 times 10 millimeters. 11 times 1 centimeter gives us 11 centimeters to be equal to 11 times 10 millimeters gives us 110 millimeters. Therefore, 11 centimeters in millimeters is simply equal to 110 millimeters. We underline the answer. For question B, we have 3 meters. We have to convert 3 meters to millimeters. We are going to start by writing this down. We know 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 1 centimeter is simply equal to 10 millimeters. 100 centimeters is equal to, in millimeters, we don't know it. Multiplying both sides of this equation by 100, take 100 times 1 centimeters, it will be equal to 100 times 10 millimeters. This will give us 100 centimeters to be equal to 100 times 10 millimeters, which gives us 1000 millimeters. 100 centimeters is simply equal to 1 meter. We need to multiply both sides by 3 of this equation so that we can get 300 centimeters in meters. Multiplying both sides by 3, this will give us 3 times 100 centimeters is equal to 3 times 1 meter. This will give us 300 centimeters to be equal to 3 meters. 3 meters, we can express this as such. 3 meters will be equal to 300 centimeters, which is simply equal to, here we know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1000 millimeters. So we multiply both sides by 3 here. This will be equal to 3 times 1000 millimeters. And this will simply give us 3 meters to be equal to, we know it is equal to 300 centimeters. And this will simply be equal to 3 times 1000 millimeters, which gives us 3000 millimeters. Therefore, 3 meters in millimeters is simply equal to 3000 millimeters. We are done with this solution. In case you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.